What's up, YouTube? So I know I haven't posted a video in a couple days, so I got the Cricut machine that my husband got me. The thing is awesome. It cuts out really cool designs, smaller, more detailed designs that I can't really do on my other machine. So I have all these laid out because these are all going to be cups, okay? The problem is I have to paint a base coat on the cups. Well, it's raining and it's too cool outside for the paint to dry. I don't paint inside. So I can kind of show you guys kind of what I have set up for cups. I don't know what colors I'm going to do these because I'm waiting for some glitter to come. So we'll set that there. So this is the Dreamcatcher one I was showing you guys, right? I'm going to do the cup yellow. And it'll have a Dreamcatcher on it. And then I'm going to put Dreamer on the other side going that way on it. I think that'll look really good. So that one will be yellow. This one, so I have this one too. I'm not sure. Like I can place the feathers a certain way. I'm not sure what color I'll do this cup because like I said, I'm waiting for my other glitters to come. These Not Today heifer stickers. I got some alcohol ink. Oh, where's that? I'll show you guys. I'm kind of holding my phone right now, so hold on a minute. I haven't tried these yet, and I'm super excited to do it. So you can make it look like a really cool marble with inks and make it look like flames or whatever the case is. So what I have planned for the Not Today heifer cups and the butterfly stickers is I'm going to do an ink cup or ink design on the cups. But I once again have to paint a base coat on the cups. So that's what we're going to do with those. I changed up my $sign for my cups that I have for Princess Scratcher. I actually was able to create a $sign with a crown on it. Look at that. That's dope. So that cup will be green, and I have one 4-leaf clover to put on it. You guys all know from my other channel that I got this sticker here. This cup will be red. It's actually going to be my new coffee cup. Where is my princess? I can't wait to put that on a cup. I showed it on my other channel, my live. My mom got that for me, so I'm super excited. So there's the frog, where's my princess? And then on the other side of the cup, I'm going to put a set of lips because the princess kisses her frog, right? For her prince. The frog turns into a prince. So that cup will be red. This one is so pretty. It turned out so nice. This cup will be yellow. It'll be yellow glitter, I mean. So look at that. Let me hide the... There we go. It says live in the moment. Isn't that pretty? So that'll be on one side, and then I did a bunch of the flowers. And yes, I know they're cut off, but they're going to be all over the cup. And so the background of this cup will be yellow glitter, but I think that's going to look really nice on there. So that's what I have planned, y'all. I can show you the process of prepping the cups and painting them, but like I said, it's shitty weather outside. So that's where we're at. So I got, got a lot of cups to make. Good thing I got a good big cup spinner. But I'm waiting for some more glitter to come and stuff like that. So I appreciate you guys so much for really wanting to see some new content. I think this Dreamcatcher cup and this Live in the Moment cup, they're going to be pretty. But I'm super excited to do the inks, the alcohol inks on the cups. I watched some videos on it, but so I have to spray those cups black. I gotta paint it white, red. It depends what shade of green I want. I can either do white or black. You know what I mean? Your base coat, just like when you paint a car, you want your first layer of your base coat. If you want like a bright red car, you usually go with a white background. If you want a dark red car, you usually go to black. So that's the plan, but I think this is going to look really good. So thank you to my hubby for the Cricut machine. And there's that. So make sure your notification's on. If you like what you see and you continue to come check me out, turn on that little notification bell and subscribe, like, comment, share. Until next time, bye.